redemption of debentures में first method was lump sum method. Now in lump sum method, out of capital and out of profit. In exam, if nothing is given in the question, whether it is out of capital or out of profit, so we will assume it is out of capital. Second method, redemption by installments, by drawing lots. Redemption by installments by drawing lots यानी क्या? जैसे for example 25 lakh worth debentures मैंने issue किए for a period of 5 years. So every year I will redeem 5 lakh worth of debentures. You understood this? हर साल 5 lakh debentures में debenture holder से ले लूँगा और उनको पैसा दे दूँगा. Now in that case, who will be the lucky 5 lakh ones? तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will have a lottery method where we will select कि वो 5 lakh debenture holders कौन है, and that is why this method is known as redemption by installment by drawing lots. Redemption of debentures by purchase of own debentures in open market. I have issued debentures, taken money from the people. ये मेरे जो debentures है वो market में trade हो रहे हैं. अब मुझे कभी ऐसा लगता है कि market में at the time of trading face value से भी debenture का value कम हो गया. Say for example face value is 100 और market में उसका trading चल रहा है at 98. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? I have money. Instead of investing that money somewhere else, I will buy my own debentures. Understood this? फायदा हो जाएगा ना? Otherwise, I would have to pay 100. Now I am buying those debentures at 98. That is why we say redemption of debenture by purchase of own debentures in open market. One is I buy them and I keep them as my investments. So instead of getting interest, if I would have invested somewhere else, here I am saving interest because मैं खुद को तो interest दे सकता नहीं हूँ. At the same time, instead of paying 100 back, I have bought these debentures at 98. तो उधर भी profit हो गया. So I can keep it as my investment, or I can buy those debentures and immediately cancel them. समझ में आया? खुद खरीद लिया debentures और फिर उस debentures को cancel कर दिया. Got it? Now write the first condition in third. First, when own debentures are purchased for immediate cancellation, when own debentures are purchased for immediate cancellation. अच्छा, यहाँ पे I'm writing over here question number 25 and question number 26 इसके बेस पे, okay, 25 and 26, and then when own debentures are purchased and kept as investments, question 27, what we'll be doing. Question number 25, page number 115. a company purchased its own 1500 debentures of rupees 100 each at rupees 96 in open market and underline immediately cancels them after purchase. Pass journal entries in the books of the company. Question 25. Page number 115. First entry. Investment in own debentures account debit. How many debentures we are buying? 1500 debentures. At what rate? At 96. 1,44,000. 1,44,000. यानी you can make out 1.5 लाख के डिबेंचर्स कितने में खरीदे? 1,44,000. पता चला? टू बैंक 1,44,000. This is the entry for buying the investments, our own debentures as investments. Now, second, we want to cancel them. Now, debentures, some percentage debentures, account debit. What is the face value of debentures? 1500 debentures into face value rupees 100. We are cancelling them. So 1,50,000. 2. मेरा जो liability था वो 1,50,000 का था, उसको cancel किया तो हो गया debit. These investments in own debentures account credit 1,44,000. Profit या loss? Profit. So 2. Profit on redemption of debenture account 6,000. Now, ध्यान दो, this profit is a capital profit, so it will be transferred to capital reserve. लिखो third, profit on redemption of debenture account debit 6,000 to capital reserve account 6,000. Any doubt in this? Simple concept है, but यहाँ पे you have to use this name, investment in own debentures account. Now, question number 26. A company purchased its own 6,000 debentures of 400 each at 415 in the open market and immediately cancels them after purchase. Pass journal entries in the books of company. Now over here, question 26, page 115. First entry, we are buying our own debentures, so investment in own debenture account debit 6,000 debentures into 415. Now I am buying at a premium. 400 के debentures I am buying from the market at 450. How much? 24 lakh 90. 24 lakh 90,000 to bank. 24 lakh 90,000. Second, immediate cancellation. So percentage debenture account debit 6,000 debentures, face value rupees 400, 24 lakh. ध्यान दो, to investment 24 lakh 90,000. So what is 90,000? Profit or loss? Loss. So loss on redemption of debenture, 90,000, and 2, investment in own debenture account, 24 lakh 90,000. Now, this loss will be transferred to capital reserve if we have some capital reserve in the books of accounts. If we don't have capital reserve or capital profit, it will be transferred from statement of profit or loss. Understood this? So we write capital reserve or statement of profit or loss, account debit 90,000 to loss on redemption of debenture 90,000.